Hi, in today's video you're going to learn about how you can buy and sell Bitcoin using mobile money in Zambia starting from now. Yeah, so a lot of Zambians find it hard to buy and sell Bitcoin in Zambia from exchanges because most of these exchanges require passports and not everyone has a passport to verify their account. And on a sad note, most of all Zambians still get scammed trying to buy and sell Bitcoin. So now this is where I come in. So I'm here to help you buy and sell Bitcoin in Zambia using mobile money without too much complications. Yeah, so if you don't have a passport to verify your account from any Bitcoin exchange where you can buy Bitcoin, so this is where I come in, where you can buy Bitcoin through me and you can as well sell Bitcoin through me. So now, what is the minimum and maximum amount of Bitcoin you can buy using mobile money from me? Well, the minimum is $10 and the maximum is $500 at a time. But if you need to buy anything lower or something higher than this, you can contact me and we can talk about that. So what about the minimum and the maximum amount of Bitcoin you can sell to me? So when it comes to me buying Bitcoin from you, this is going to depend on how much worth of Bitcoin you have and how much kwacha I have. Well, buying Bitcoin from you will depend on how much worth of Bitcoin you have and how much kwacha I have. So once you get to contact me, I'll be able to tell you if I have the kwacha needed for the Bitcoin you have. Then if I do have, then you can proceed and sending to me and I can proceed in sending the kwacha to you. Okay, so now how do you pay me, or how do you get paid when you send Bitcoin to me? So when buying Bitcoin from me, you'll be requested to send the money first. So if you cannot trust me, then you can try buying from someone else. So you'll be required to send money to this number over here, which is my number, and these are the names that appear. And you also receive the same money from this number as well. So now let's talk about the fees to buy and sell Bitcoin using mobile money from me. So what are these fees? Okay, so to make things simpler, these are the fees. So to sell Bitcoin to me, if you have got Bitcoin you're selling, I'll be buying from you at the rate of $1 to be 14 kwacha. Then if you'd like to buy Bitcoin from me, I'll be selling the Bitcoin to you at the rate of $1 equals to 20 kwacha. So these are the fees. So let's talk about other important fees as well. So what are these other important fees? So there are fees such as network fees and so on. So let's talk about the Bitcoin network fees. So the Bitcoin network fee, this is the fee to send the Bitcoin. So it depends on the amount, but this is usually between $1 and $5. Okay. And then the Bitcoin fee when you are sending the Bitcoin to me. So when you're sending the Bitcoin to me, you need to cover for the transaction fee as well, because I only get to send the money according to what I have received. So when sending money to me, which is kwacha, the withdrawal fee should also be included. Then when sending kwacha to you, no withdrawal fee will be included. You will receive exactly the money worth of Bitcoin you sent. So now how do you get started with buying and selling Bitcoin to me? Well, so it's actually simple. So I prefer and I reply fast when you contact me on WhatsApp. So just send me a number on this. Then when you inbox me, go to the main point exactly. Tell me if you'd like to buy or sell, because I don't usually have a lot of time to start chatting. So now let's talk about the terms and conditions. So we need to agree on it. We need to agree on some things. So now, what are the terms and conditions to buy Bitcoin or to sell Bitcoin to and from me? Okay, so the first thing you have to know is that this is not a business. Okay, it's more like my help, trying to help Zambians from being scammed or try to help people having difficulties in buying Bitcoin. So the second terms and condition is that when you want to sell Bitcoin to me, I will have to confirm if I've got a quota to pay you. Okay, let's say you're selling Bitcoin worthy $1,000. If I don't have quota worthy $1,000, I will refuse. I won't buy the Bitcoin from you. Okay, but if I have, I'll accept and I'll tell you to go on and send the Bitcoin. So the other terms and condition is that if you send the Bitcoin to the wrong address, which is not mine, that will be your loss. So, and if you give me the wrong Airtel money number, I would help you reverse it, but that would be a problem. Okay, but if I send quota to the wrong number by mistake, this will be my problem, and I will try by all means to pay you and deal with that later on. And the last condition is that if you give me the wrong Bitcoin address and you claim to not have received the Bitcoin, that will be your own problem. But when it comes to Bitcoin transactions, you don't have to worry about this, because you can use any Bitcoin Explorer to verify if money has been sent or not. Yeah, so this is it about today's video about how you can buy and sell Bitcoin. So the link on how you can learn more about this will be in the description. To get started, my contact details will be in the description. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe.